This recipe is very easy to make and very delicious. Everyone will love it. I'll start by julienning a large onion. Guys, this recipe with onion that we are doing is super easy to make and looks delicious. I'm sure everyone will like the result. So we should have the onion already cut. In a frying pan I will add a little oil. And I will add the onion cut into julienne. Then I'm going to season it by adding salt to taste. Ground black pepper to taste. And I will move to fry the onion a little. Once the onion is sautéed, I'm going to add 6 eggs. At this moment I would like to know from which country or city you look at us to send you a special greeting in the next recipe. The greeting in today's recipe is for Jen Quinn from Philippines, also for Jeannie White from Brooklyn, and Nayat Zara from Pakistan. Thank you for always seeing and enjoying our recipes. Now I will mix a little to break the eggs. When the eggs are like this, I'm going to add a pinch of salt, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a little chopped parsley, and I will mix again to incorporate it into the eggs. I assure you friends that you will like this recipe because it is simple and very easy to make. My family loves it because it is very delicious. Once well incorporated, I will cover and let cook for 5 minutes over low heat or until the egg is cooked. While the egg is cooking, I will grate 100 grams of mozzarella cheese, but if you have cheese in slices, you can also use it for this recipe. It is also not necessary that the cheese is mozzarella. You can use the one of your preference, but preferably one that melts very well. When the egg is cooked, I will uncover the pan and add all the mozzarella cheese that I have grated, spreading it very well. If you have come this far seeing today's recipe, that means that you are liking this recipe. So leave us here below the following message: I love the onion, to send you a very special greeting. To finish the recipe, I'm going to add a little oregano on top, spreading it well throughout the cheese. I will cover again and let cook over low heat until the cheese melts. And already our recipe with onion and eggs is ready. Look how incredible it has been. I will cut it into 8 pieces, but I would like you to rate this recipe from 0 to 10 to know if you liked the result. Thank you for watching this recipe until the end. I hope you liked the result. Tell me if it's the first time you see one of my recipes. And if so, don't forget to subscribe on YouTube as Recipes Oni and activate the bell so you can always receive our recipes. A hug and see you in the next recipe.